it's Petrosino here, and I have something really cool to show you today. And what I liked about this site, anyimage.io, is that I used to pay for a site that did this very same thing years ago, and it's how I built my list for free on Facebook, in Facebook groups. And so now that I see that this is available and the other one is no longer available, I was like blown away. I said, wow, here's a great way for people to use that same idea of posting with an image. So let me show you how you do this. From anyimage.io, you'll click on Browse Files. And I'm just going to choose any image off of my computer. Okay, so I'm going to choose this one for now. Then I'm going to enter a title here. Now I want to add the destination URL. This is where I want someone to land after they click on the image. Leave this unchecked and click on Finish. Now you see this link here. I'm going to copy that. And then let's just go over to Facebook. And then I'm going to make a post. I'm going to paste that link. It automatically populates the image. Now generally what I would use is a capture page, but I'm just testing this out, so I want to show you how this works. Now I'll click on Post, and there's the image. So what happens when I click on it? Anyone clicking on your image will be brought to your destination URL. So recommended is to put a capture page here, but just for the purposes of this video, I wanted to show you how it works. And once you're posted, you can simply edit the image and remove the link. Then you can type anything you want in here and click on Save. Your image will still stay there and it will still be clickable. What a great tool. So enjoy this amazing little tool. It is so valuable. I grew my list this way on social media and I did it at no cost. So get to work. Start posting on your profile, start posting in Facebook groups, and use a capture page. Very, very important to use a capture page, especially if you're posting in Facebook groups. Remember, you can use this on other social media accounts, such as Twitter or LinkedIn. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and have a great day.